How to change Wi-Fi network on Google Home. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up a new one. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right top, simply tap on this plus icon. Here on the top, select on device, and here either you can directly scan the Wi-Fi or search for this device. So tap on next. Now make sure you have your location services and Bluetooth device on. Here you'll be able to easily select Wi-Fi. Slowly scroll down and simply tap on Wi-Fi. So here you can select the Wi-Fi that you want to connect. So here I'm tapping on one and simply tap on next. So after doing that, you can automatically change your Wi-Fi network and Google Home will automatically update it too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.